TANCHJIM has announced and released their first ever DAC power amplifier. It's a desktop balanced headphone amplifier. It's not cheap. It's almost $1,800. This product is very powerful. I'm surprised that TANCHJIM really jumped from making something within the price range of most people all the way up to Flagship Tier 3 pricing for their first amplifier that I've seen. I don't think I've ever seen a TANCHJIM amplifier. So technically I'll say this is their first. So they're going to call this model VAST amplifier. It's going to come with the AK4497 EQ chipset. I wonder why for this price, why they didn't go for the flagship 4499. It's quite interesting. So build quality is quite good. The body is made out of aluminum alloy. It's as good as you can expect it to be. It has multiple interfaces for your connection. You have a 3.5 single-ended, you have 4.4 balanced, 6.5 single-ended, even a 4-core XLR, which is good basically. The VAS supports the most common USB, even Bluetooth and coaxial inputs. It's equipped with RCA single-ended and XLR balanced signal output ports, commonly used for active speakers. The volume control model of VAS utilizes the flagship Muse 72320 chip, and it's really premium in its build quality overall. The VAS amplifier can also connect to your TV if you wanted to. Even your PC, it can also connect to your PC easily. So that's it. That's really it. It doesn't have a ton of power, but it's going to be good enough to power most things in general, most like earphones, most earphones and headphones in general, but it's certainly not the most powerful amplifier you can buy. The only thing I worry for is the price range, because a lot of people will question, question whether the price is a bit on the high side, considering a lot of variables. But regardless, I think this new release is going to be a hit, depending on whether people fancy the sound quality, and it's going to be interesting. Now, in terms of power, it can, if you're doing regular single-ended, it can do 370 milliwatts into 16 ohms, 480 milliwatts into 32 ohms, 450 milliwatts into 100 ohms, and around 220 milliwatts into 300 ohms. Now, if you're doing balance, it will do 470 milliwatts into 16 ohms, 700 milliwatts into 32 ohms, 1000 milliwatts into 100 ohms, 750 milliwatts into 300 ohms, and around 450 milliwatts into 600 ohms. So this is really a powerful amplifier in general. So that's it. I will leave the link where you can get it in the description if you're interested. Subscribe. I'll see everybody very much next time.